And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this hanging shower caddy with soap holder. You can see it has a large capacity, great load-bearing performance, easy to assemble, perfect for all bathrooms. Got your little sticker there, same picture there. The side does show you some installation steps as well as a component list. And this side just mentions your color, which we have the black version, and then the specs and materials. It's stainless steel and hanging shower caddy. So let's take this to our shower, install it, and show you what you can use it for. All right, so this is our shower caddy with soap holder. So you're able to easily hang your loofahs here on the side. There's 2 hooks here, as well as 2 hooks over here. Plenty of room for your shampoo, conditioner, face wash, etc. And then even another hook here and here, as well as room for your soap. It also includes a nice double-sided tape that you can use to put on this and help hold everything in place. Made out of metal though, nice feeling, good and sturdy, perfect for holding all of your shower necessities. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.